Our durable Sony DSR-11 portable decks come in handy and allow you to import your video footage into your software of choice. Let's find out more about the DSR-11.
The Sony DSR-11 is the SPNN DV deck that is available for checkout and the one that is used in our edit suites. It is easy to use, but you need to be aware of what speed it has been set at. This tech tip will cover that. If you're checking out the deck, these are the standard items that come with the unit: the deck, the power supply, the remote control, and a carrying case. When you set the deck up for use, the first step is to check the settings on the back. The auto repeat switch should be turned off. The NTSC PAL switch should be set on NTSC, and the cord from the power supply should be placed in the DC-in 12V plug. Next, you can connect the deck to a computer, a TV set, or both at the same time. For computer connection, use the DV-in-out plug with a FireWire cord. The DSR-11 has a small size or 4-pin plug. SPNN has cords available for checkout with a 4-pin on both ends, or a cord with a 4-pin on one end and a 6-pin on the other end. For TV connection, use the set of RCA cords. Take the audio and video outputs from the deck and connect them to the TV inputs. Other plugs on the back of the DSR-11 include the S-Video in and out and two forms of external deck control called Control S and Link. SPNN has no equipment that can be used with these control connections. The tiny reset button is used to initialize the internal clock. On the front of the deck, you will see the power on-off button as well as the standard VTR buttons for stop, rewind, play, fast forward, pause, and record. In addition, there is a video input switch for selecting the connection you made on the back of the deck: DV, S-Video, or video. The other switch on the front is for selecting the type of remote control. It should be on wireless, since SPNN does not have any Control S equipment. The DSR-11 has several indicator lights. The power indicator is green when the unit is on and red when it is turned off but plugged in. The caution indicator flashes when an error occurs. The cassette indicator tells you a tape is in the deck. The DV cam indicator is very important. It lights when the unit is set to record at the faster DV cam speed. A mini DV60 tape will only record for 40 minutes rather than 60 minutes. If the DV cam indicator is not lit, then the recording speed is DVSP. The NTSC indicator should always be lit since SPNN has no systems capable of using PAL. The next part of this tech tip will explain the remote control, or commander as it's called. It's used to change the recording speed. At the bottom of the remote are the standard VTR controls. Just above it are buttons for various playback speeds. Above that is the menu control, which is used to set the recording speed. However, in order to see the menu, you must have the video output connected to a TV and press the display button. Then you will see in the lower right of your TV the speed setting. To change the speed, first press the menu button. If this screen does not appear, press the up or down buttons until the VTR set screen does appear. Then press Set and move the highlight down to REC mode. Press Set and move the highlight to the speed you want. Press Set and exit by pressing the menu button. Other buttons on the remote are Data Control to see technical information about a camcorder recording, and Search Select, which is only available on special $60 cassettes which SPNN does not sell. While it may have seemed Like there is a lot of information about the DSR-11 deck, it is an easy unit to hook up and use. Just remember, the only way to display the menu settings is with a TV set hookup. Oh, and by the way, the information you see on a TV set when you press the display button is not shown on the computer monitor through the DV connection. If you want to learn more about the DSR-11, the manual is available for checkout with the unit.